Hello everyone, and hello everybody, welcome back to North Dakota Car Guy. In today's episode of Project Dream, we're going to be installing some new stuff for our transmission, and we're going to get this in the car today. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is our NA manual transmission for the 1987 Mazda RX7, and today we're going to be installing a few things here. For the transmission, to get it installed, we've got a new transmission mount because this one's pretty cruddy. And to go with that, along with the new bushing that's in there, we've got these polyurethane bushings. I believe these are from Himnim Racing. So we got some of these that will go on either side of here. And then we have here a short shifter kit. It's mainly this spacer that's in this kit. So we're going to go ahead and be installing this once the transmission's in the car. I don't know if I'll do that in this video or a different one. First thing we're going to do is drain the oil out of here, and then we're actually going to be changing this mount. And then once that's done, we'll go ahead and fill this up with new oil. We won't fill this though, we'll fill this up later on. That's not a 10. My words mixed up. Ah! Oily. Whoa, look at that. Look at all that crud that's in there. That's... I don't even know what to think of that. I'm like the world's worst gasket maker. Alright, so we'll go ahead, let that sit for an hour, and then we'll come back to tighten it. I feel like that kind of like goes to show how much we need to change this. Well, that's why we're changing this. Oh, actually, yeah, I'm getting it, okay. Alright. Alright, I'll figure out how I'm going to get that off. I'm going to take this on my vice grip and give it a try. Alright, so we got the bushing that was off of there. Look at that, it's like a little helmet. So we're going to go ahead and install these guys onto our bracket here. We have to bolt this up to the transmission first, and then this, and then tighten these down onto there. It's kind of a weird process, but it is what it is. That dude's turbo over there sounds like it's about to blow. because this guy can actually slip in here. Alright, so off camera, I went ahead and cleaned up the bell housing in here. This was all like grimy and whatnot, so clean that all out. Next, we're going to fill it up with some oil. This is what I am using. I need 80W just because I live up north. It's going to be in the cold. I figured out this mount was backwards, so fix that. So the drain plug is down there, and the filler plug is this guy right here. So you just need to take that out and then stick a pipe in there or something, and then just fill it up until it starts to leak out of that mount that's right there. And you can do this in the car as well, but just because I have the engine out and everything, I'm just gonna do it in here. So yeah, I figured why not. See, but this is what I'm gonna use. This is like a oil pump. I originally used this to change the power steering out of my dad's Galant, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this to kind of reverse it. I'm gonna suck it up from here and then throw it into that. Alright, so if you used like a previous oil in here, like I have an automatic transmission fluid in here, you're gonna want to go ahead and just kind of try to siphon some of that out. You are right there. Alright, one last thing we gotta change in here is our throwout bearing. It's actually really simple. There's the sleeve in here. You can see it moves this bearing in here that basically rests on the clutch. So when you press the clutch down, there's a solenoid that sits right here. We got a new one of those, and it basically just pushes this lever like so. So to take it out, you basically just hyper push it, and then it comes out like that. Let's go ahead and grab our new one. Alright, so here is our brand new one. I'm going to add just a little bit of lube on the inside of here, just so that when this is on, it's all good. See, the main problem here is that we don't want to get any oil or grease on our actual clutch. So we want to add just a little bit, just so we're not going to wreck or seize our stuff. But just enough so that you want just enough so we can still lubricate, but not a lot that it's going to be splashing everywhere. Let's go ahead, push this out. And there we go. I almost feel like I need more, a little bit more lube. Alright, so here is our lube that they give us in the kit. So we'll go ahead and put these on the spline. We don't need a lot, just a little bit. It just kind of helps get it everything to kind of seat in nice. Alright, that's probably all we need. Look at my dang hand. So the thing we never tell you guys in a lot of these YouTube videos is that to keep it entertaining, you just have to keep on going. And you forget to mention things like cleaning up all of this. Because now that I've called it quits with that, I still got all of this and the bumpers and the wheels and the oil. So I suppose that's what I'm going to work on next. And then I'm going to go in, take a shower, and try to chillax. See you guys next time.
Countdown to midnight, we're slaves to the moonlight. Take it up into the highest gear, shave off a couple seconds here. Rubber is burning, the wheels keep on turning, and I'm about to get excited here.